Once upon a lovely day, little Lou was at home reading a book. Suddenly, she heard a sound she didn't know.
Huh?
Little Lou wanted to know who or what was making this sound. So she decided to find out.
Hi, Mo. How are you?
Hi, little Lou. I'm good. What do you need?
Was it your bell making this sound?
No, it wasn't me. I don't know what that sound is.
Little Lou was sad.
But why don't you ask wise Owl? Maybe she knows.
Hi, Owl. Did you hear that strange sound?
No, I didn't. I am too busy reading my book.
What could that sound be? Thought little Lou. Just then, aha! This is it. And what does it do? Thought little Lou. Just then, a small boy walked by. Guess what he was looking for?
Hey, over here!
What?
So, did you find your phone?
Yes, Mom, I found it. A little mouse gave it to me.
There you go again. You and your stories.
No, Mom, this really happened.